Oh man, get my hair done, kid.
You love the salon, huh?
Yeah, I love the salon, bro. It's a salon day, you know what I mean? Next is the massage, you know?
The tanning next, right?
Yeah, the old GTL, baby. Gym Tan Laundry. In this one, we're gonna talk about how starting a business, especially in an adult daycare center, is like shopping at Ikea. What does that mean, right? So think about this. When anyone is starting a business, no matter whether it's an adult daycare center or it's any other business, for the most part, you know, the happiest time, the most exciting time is the beginning stages, the planning, the thought, the idea. You're gonna go pursue the American dream. Aren't you excited? You've been waiting your whole life for this, right? So here's what happens. So if you go through this process and you pick out the location and you're putting together the paperwork and you're applying for the license and you're going through the zoning and you're going through all that stuff, guess what? That's the easiest part of the whole process. That's like going to IKEA and you're going around and you're exploring all the different furniture and you're planning out like what your room is gonna look like in your home and how amazing it's gonna be and how this furniture is just gonna be exactly what your house needed to make it the space that you wanted. And then you get home and you gotta build it. And you're like, and you get through and you get on step 20 only to realize that you forgot something on step 2. And you get the instruction manual and it like says do this, do that, do this, don't do this, and you screw the whole thing up. You can't follow it, you don't know which step you're on anymore. You got extra parts, you're trying to figure out where they go. So the moral of the story is that honestly, everything leading up until opening day is literally the easiest part of starting your business. And so if you're having struggles, if you're struggling during this part of this process, like meaning if you think that getting through the regulation, getting through the licensing, getting through the location and the build out and the construction and all that stuff, if you think that's the hardest part, wait till you open. I don't want you to think that it's gonna get easier because it's not. Now you fast forward after you've been open for a year and a half, you might find things to be a lot different. You might realize at that point in time that, you know what, you finally got the hang of it. You've kind of worked out these problems. You have momentum, but it's gonna take a long time. And your best friend through this entire process is gonna be persistence and consistency. And don't give up on your dreams. Believe in yourself, no matter how hard it gets, and keep pushing until you get to the other side. Anyways, guys, hope that was helpful. We'll see you on the next one. Make sure if you want to learn more about opening up your own adult daycare, go to adcpro.com. Join us for our Facebook group, our monthly webinars, and of course, stay in touch with us through YouTube. We put out content every single week just for you guys to help bring awareness to the adult daycare space and to help more entrepreneurs and senior care professionals start and operate and manage their own adult daycares. We'll see you guys on the next one. Now I have to get back to work. Peace. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, click here. We'll see you guys next time.